Jinan Jiuli International Trade Company Limited. The products include cable seals, meter seals, plastic seals, bolt seals, lead seals, and other seals. They are widely used in power grid, petroleum and petrochemical, customs, logistics, pharmaceutical, chemical, and other industries. Our parent company is located in Wudi County, Binzhou City, Shandong Province. The registered capital is 60 million yuan and covers an area of 10,000 square meters. There are 137 employees, including 11 senior and middle-level engineers. The Enterprise R&D Center passed the certification of Municipal Industrial Design Center in 2019 and now has more than 30 inventions, utility models, software works public, and other intellectual property rights. The factory implements 5S management mode and has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 International Quality System certification. We have been awarded the honors or titles of High-Tech Enterprise, Specialized New Type Small and Medium Enterprise, and Science and Technology Small and Medium Enterprise. As a supplier of products to enterprises in the power grid, petroleum, petrochemical, and energy industries, we have excellent cooperation teams dedicated to product design and development, quality control, and innovation. Our products are exported to North America, Southeast Asia, Europe, Spain, Australia, Europe, and African countries. We look forward to cooperating with you and presenting you with satisfactory products.
Welcome to